Start.
Hello friends, today I am telling you important BPO interview questions. First one, just read carefully and listen. First one, tell me something about BPO and how it works. The answer should be BPO is business process outsourcing. When a company wants its non-core work to be done by an expert at a cheaper cost, then they outsource their work to another country, which is called business process outsourcing. Second one, what are the job activities you have to maintain in BPO? The answer should be handle the customer's queries effectively and satisfactorily. Also, coordinate well in a team in order to offer the best service possible to the customer. Next question. Where do you see yourself after 5 years? This is the recent question asks everyone. The answer should be in 5 years from now I want to see myself at a responsible position where my company see me as a valuable asset and at the same time to grow with the company. Next question. Did you learn anything new recently which can be helpful to BPOs? Answer should be knowing additional language apart from English is always beneficial in BPOs. You can learn any other foreign languages. It always give you more chances of securing jobs in BPO. Next one question. Will you be comfortable handling customers on the phone? This question is mostly asked in the voice process. The answer should be if you are a fresher, you can tell that handling customer on the phone would be a challenging, but you would be able to handle it. Next question. How good are you with the computer skills? The answer should be most of the time they usually ask for a basic computer skills, but if the job demands more computer work, then they will hold a practical test to check your computer skills. And next one questions, do you think that the career opportunity for the BPO? The answer, it depends more on an individual's interest and its personality. Once you gain expertise in the work, you can easily head up towards management or support side. Next question, what do you want to work for our company? The answer should be this question is put in front of you by the interviewer to analyze how much you are aware of the company's work and how you are with the company projects. When you answer this question, mention about the company's creative business policies, aggressive market stance, and the growth of the company. Next question, can you use different softwares easily? This answer should be clarifies interviewer about your computer knowledge and your grip over the software so that they have a clear idea what training you might need further if you get selected once. And most important question asked, that is the what is a call center? The answer should be call center is a customer care center where calls are handled in a large numbers. There are two types of call centers, that is inbound and outbound. Next question. Why do you see BPO as your career? This question is mostly asked for a fresher. The answer should be BPO has always been a career choice for me, which gives opportunities to grow and develop your personality and communication skills. The recent survey also tells that fast growth of this industry. And next question, why do you think you will do well in this job? The answer should be give several reasons like experience, interest and skills and your knowledge. And next question, what is the difference between KPO and BPO? The answer should be KPO is a knowledge process outsourcing while BPO is business process outsourcing. KPO provides the knowledge based services like a medical billing, documentation or claiming insurance, while BPO is totally customer service oriented. And next question, how can you relate call centers to BPO? Answer should be call centers may be one of the very first process in the business that was openly outsourced. And next question is what is inbound and outbound call centers? Answer should be Inbound call centers will only receive calls and outbound call centers will place the calls. And sometimes ask these questions: what is the difference between the shore and offshore outsourcing? Answer should be: when any project or work allotted outside the country which is not nearby is called offshore outsourcing, and anything outsourcing or outsourced nearby country is called shore outsourcing. And next one is: what are the major sectors for outsourcing? Answer is IT and communications, medical and health services, insurances, finances, laws, and many areas these are used. And next question: are you comfortable working in night shifts? This question is mostly asked when we are selected or when we were selected. Answer should always yes. It shows your willingness and interest towards the roles and your approach towards the job. Thank you for watching this video.